Let's count together. Let's count and have some fun. Ready? Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1 bright sun. 1, 1, 1, 1 bright sun. Can you say 1? 1. 1 bright sun. 2, 2, 2, 2 balloons flew. 2, 2, 2, 2 balloons flew. Say it again, 2. 2 balloons flew. 3, 3, 3, 3 stars for me. 3, 3, 3, 3 stars for me. 3 little stars shining just for me. 4, 4, 4, 4 apples on the floor. 4, 4, 4, 4 apples on the floor. Let's say 4. 4 apples on the floor. 5, 5, 5, 5 butterflies alive. 5, 5, 5, 5 butterflies alive. Flutter, flutter high. 5 butterflies alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. Come on, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Learning numbers side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap your hands and smile so wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did great. High five. Count, count, count with me. 1 to 5 so easily. Soft and slow. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. Come on, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did great. High five.
Bye-bye, kids. See you next time on Kiddo Tunes.